Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how you can test all the logic that we have written using a real email. So previously you have seen my examples. I'm using kelvin@example.com, which obviously does not exist. Maybe it does, but I don't know because I don't have access to the real example.com domain anyway. So guys, before you start going out there to create temporary emails or even test emails, I want to introduce you something that is called a disposable email. Alright, so let me just bring in my browser over here and I'm going to go to Google and search for something called disposable email. So basically what a disposable email is basically a temporary email which would be killed maybe in 24 hours. So if you see with me over here, the first result, there is this temp-mail.org. So let me just click on this. So basically this is a temporary email that would be destroyed, I think, in a day or two. So we can actually use this to do our testing. So I'm just going to copy this right now, copy to clipboard, and I'm just going to run the simulator. So I think for this particular test case, I want to test the forget password feature. So I'm going to go to get started and let me just sign in with this email first. So I'm going to paste this inside over here. So let's see if I can paste this. And then for the password, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for the password confirmation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to click on the sign up button and I should be able to register a brand new email with this one over here. And if I'm to come to the Firebase console, and if I am to refresh this, I should see this new email that's being created over here. Okay, so what I can do is that I can come over to the settings and hit the lockout button. And meanwhile, let me just check if there's anything in my inbox for this email. So it's currently empty. So what I would like to do is to actually hit the forget password button over here. And I want to paste in this email as well. So I'm going to click on the OK button. Alright, so it says password reset successful, and if you see over here, I have received a new email over here, and whoa, what is this? Send a friend request. Alright guys, anyway, this email is being shared by everyone who can access this website, so you'll be getting some really random stuff over here, but never mind this. So let's come to this one over here because I think this is the one that I want to show you. Reset your email for project this. Let's click on this. And then I think over here it says, please follow this link to reset your email, blah, blah, blah. And let's click on this right now. Okay, so I think it prompts us for a brand new email. So maybe what I like to do is to just type in password. Okay, so let me just unhide this to show you what I'm typing. I'm going to type in password right now. And I'm going to click on the save button over here. Okay, so I can just dismiss this. So right now, I can just come over to the login screen again, and I'm going to paste this email one more time, and I'm going to type in password again, PASSWORD, and if I'm to type in maybe a 1, I shouldn't be able to log it, okay? But if I'm to backspace, okay, I can't remove that one, I'm going to type it in one more time. If I'm to hit the login button, I believe I should be able to log in. Alright guys, so this is just to show that the forget password end-to-end test is working fine. So alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.